I'm here with Jimmy. He's the owner of this nice car. Jimmy, what can you tell us about the engine and what have you done with the car so far?
It's a 540 cubic inch big block, twin turbo that has twin 88s. It started life as a regular 69 Mustang that we ran on the street, and we decided to convert it into an out and out race car.
Wow, that's insane. So what was your power goals, or what did you come in here expecting?
Our power goal is actually around 38 to 4,000 horsepower. Right now the motor's a little limited because we have the initial version, so we can go out and make some hits without tearing up a bunch of stuff. So we're at around 2,000 horsepower, and we met that goal today.
Wow, wow. So what's your favorite FuelTech feature?
Well, the computer is awesome, and all the features of it are fantastic, but my favorite FuelTech feature is the tech support and the people that work here. I think they're 100% outstanding, and in fact, when I leave, I'm going to give them a 5-star Google review.
Nice, nice. Well, I appreciate it, Jimmy. We're gonna jump back to some of this dyno footage now. So thanks, guys. So guys, my favorite feature by far is these big twin 88s. Guys, the size of these turbos is absolutely insane if you haven't seen them in person. There's my fist next to them. And as you can see, guys, they're capable of a lot of power. And there's just a close-up of his exhaust setup. That is absolutely cool. I can only imagine what that looks like with the front nose on. Take a look down in there. Oh yeah. His engine setup is one of my favorites I've seen so far for the twin turbo lineup. There's the other side there, so it comes out on both sides of the 69 Mustang. Let's take an inside look at his cockpit. There we go, very clean layout. Nice, guys. And he has a matte paint job on here right now. And of course, as we move to the back of the car, you can see he has, it looks like a chrome wing there. There's the back of his beautiful body lines going up there. Super nice, guys. This is one of the most minimalistic and clean builds we've seen in a while. And as you can see, he was very happy with his dyno results. And the turbos, they tuned very well, and we got some good results. And also moving to the back of his engine setup, he has his coils and his EGT8 mounted on the firewall. As you can see, the cabling easily lines out and goes to each exhaust port here. Very, very clean setup, and his wiring is very nice and tidy, so we can see if we need to maintenance anything. It's all easily accessed.